Hello everybody, my name is Susan and I work in the SmartHub team at Baileymed. SmartHub is a software that collects data from our Baileymed machines in real time and transforms them into useful, well-visualized information for the CSSD managers and staff. We have great news about SmartHub feature. It is about our new batch report which we have redesigned for you. I will present it in this video. This is our newly designed batch report of a program that was run on a Baileymed machine, the WD290 iClue cleaning disinfector. This batch report is created in the SmartHub after the program end and is then available to our customers. In the header, important basic information of the batch is visualized. From left to right, you will find the name of the machine. Here our test machine is called Eve. It could also be called WD290. Below, you can see the batch number, the program start, the program end, the program time, and the result. This information is highlighted in green or red, and I can at a glance see that the program has been successfully completed. On the far right, you see the name of the CSSD that can be displayed here. Now we come to the heart of the batch report. The white area is divided into different sections. The information in the tiles varies depending on whether it is a batch report for a washer disinfector or for a sterilizer. On this batch report, for example, the A0 value and the disinfection time are displayed in one tile. On a report for a sterilizer, for example, the sterilization time and the F0 value can be displayed. In the diagram below, sensors that are relevant for our customers can be displayed. It is very nicely structured and details can be read quickly and easily. On the second page, the printout for the batch report can be displayed. The last pages of the batch report include detailed tables with all the information about sensors and error messages. If you would also like to see the new batch report in SmartHub, then get in touch with your Baileymed representative. Thanks for watching and see you soon!